Some cars are built for speed, some are built for luxury, but every once in a while a car is built for something far greater, for legacy, the Toyota AE86. What began in the quiet factories of 1983 as a compact sports coupe would go on to redefine what it means to drive. From humble beginnings on Japanese streets to becoming the beating heart of underground car culture, the AE86 isn't just a car, it's a revolution. But what transformed this unassuming coupe into a global icon? A story. A story told through screeching tires, daring drifts, and one unforgettable enemy. So buckle up as we chase the legend of the Hachiroku, the Toyota AE86.
The year was 1983, and Toyota was set to release a car that no one, not even they, could predict would become a legend. The AE86 was offered in two flavours, the Sprinter Trueno and the Corolla Levin. Both shared the same foundation but wore different faces, pop-up headlights for the daring Trueno and fixed headlights for the bold, streamlined Levin. This simple choice of aesthetics gave the car dual personalities, each with its own devoted following. But looks were only the beginning. Beneath the hood of the AE86 lay the soul of a champion. The 4AGE engine, a 1.6-litre marvel of engineering, produced 130 horsepower. Modest? Yes, but paired with a chassis weighing barely over 950 kilograms, it became a dancer on wheels. Agile, balanced, and perfectly tuned for the thrill seekers of its time. Rear-wheel drive, razor-sharp handling, and perfect weight distribution. It wasn't just a car, it was an invitation to chase every apex and conquer every mountain pass. And then in 1995 came the story that changed everything. Initial D wasn't just a manga, it was a cultural phenomenon. Shuichi Shigeno's tale of Takumi Fujiwara, a high schooler by day and tofu delivery driver by night, wasn't about horsepower or fame. Skill, determination, and heart. At the centre of it all, a humble AE86 Trueno, a car that embodied the underdog spirit, taking on faster, more powerful rivals and winning. Released in 1998, brought this story to life. With jaw-dropping drift sequences, unforgettable characters, and a pulse-pounding Eurobeat soundtrack. Initial D wasn't just entertainment, it was an anthem for a generation. And at its heart, the AE86 became more than a car. It became a symbol of possibility, proving that even the humblest machine could achieve greatness in the hands of a master. Initially, Ita didn't just elevate the AE86, it united car culture around the world. Fans scoured Japan for these cars, shipping them overseas and restoring them with love and precision. Drifters, tuners, and even gamers were swept up in the magic as the AE86 starred in video games like Gran Turismo and graced car meets from Tokyo to Los Angeles. But beyond the numbers and statistics, the AE86 represents something deeper, a love for driving, for the thrill of the curve, the bond between man and machine, and the idea that passion can take you further than power ever could. The AE86 is more than metal and rubber. It's a legacy of dreams, a bridge between generations, and proof that greatness isn't about how much power you wield, but how you use it. Today, the spirit of the Hachiroku lives on in Toyota's modern sports cars, like the GR86, carrying its DNA into the future. So, when you see an AE86 or hear the nostalgic pulse of Eurobeat, remember this: it's more than a car. It's a promise that with skill, heart, and courage, even the simplest things can achieve legendary status. This is the story of the AE86, a car that reminds us to never stop chasing the dream.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative or entertaining, please do leave a like and subscribe, as this greatly helps the channel immensely. Until next time, I'm Sophia. See you all in the next video.